Oh, and Orton with a cheap shot. And here comes Cena. And Cena and Orton, now a brawl is broken out again between these two men. No love lost over the 11 years between Orton and Cena. And now Orton just shoved Punk away. They're trying to hold Orton back, and Punk's had it up, and Punk's going after Orton. And now Triple H involved.
Crazy.
Oh no,
that's not smart.
And Punk went after Triple H. And a sweet chin music from Michaels. And Daniel Bryan